So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Green Energy share. So about Adani Green, so we have discussed in many videos almost 3 months back, 1 month back, almost a few weeks back also we have updated the level. So it has been going very well with Adani Green Energy. So many people have posted positive comments regarding Adani Green Energy that they have received a very good profit. So that is very good. So hold this particular stock. That is what I discussed in each and every video, and I'll still suggest you to hold this particular stock, especially for long term. So people who are regularly following, so they might be knowing, so we discussed almost when the quarter results were declared, we also discussed the complete fundamentals of the company almost 3 months back as well. So that time we know that much reach was not present for this share. So that time we have discussed when it used to trade near the lower circuits, so that is around 350-360 rupees level. So that is the essence of the company. So I've discussed very important points, whether it may be regarding the political background. So people have watched those videos, so they'll definitely understand the complete picture of Adani Green Energy. So today we'll see what can be the next level. So it has almost approached the 850 rupees level. So that is very good movement. So currently we know that the market sentiment was also little negative regarding the US election. So each and every stock has given correction. So we have discussed some quality stocks. So do watch each and every video. So we know that when the share price increases, consequently we also see the increase in the market cap. So that is obvious. So you can see almost it has approached 1.34 trillion. So you can see the trillion implies lakh crores. So Adani Green's market cap surpasses, you can see, L&T as well as Ultratech Cement. So L&T, it is one of the best stocks that we see in infrastructure, and many people add this particular stock especially for long term, as well as Ultratech Cement, the leading cement based company. So Adani Green Energy has crossed these two companies as well. So that is the demand. So when political background or when promoter influences that much, so we can expect these type of stocks which are we have not seen much even in improvement in the financials, even though it has shown continuous momentum from the bottom. Okay, so that is what generally happens. So nothing more to discuss. So now we'll see the volume analysis, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next supports as well as resistances. So if we see the volume analysis, so you can see on 30th October, so we have seen almost how much combined percentage of deliverable quantities. You can see almost it has crossed the 60% level. So if you see the traded quantity, so you can see almost the traded quantity has also increased. So even though the market sentiment little bit downtrend was seen, so this particular stock has given good movement with good volume at the levels. So generally when we see any stock which is having a continuous uptrend, so we see consequently downtrend as well. So little retracement will be present, but this particular stock, whenever the retracement occurs, it's just minute, almost 4 to 5 days, or maximum we can assume 1 week retracement will be seen in this particular stock. Later again it starts retaking the momentum and shows the momentum. So that is what we can see in the volume analysis as well. So if we compare with the weekly averages, so whenever the percentage delivery reduces, so when again the increment starts, so this particular stock also starts gaining that momentum. Okay, so percentage wise also we are seeing a little bit of increment is there. So traded quantity is present as usual. So people have bought at the levels we have discussed, whether it may be 350, 600, 700 levels. We discussed in 680, I guess. So from those levels also, if you are holding, definitely hold it. So you may see even the 1000 rupees level in the coming we can say long term as well. Okay, so now we'll go to the indicators, what they're suggesting, and then we'll see the returns, and consequently we'll move on to the technical charts. So if we see what the indicators are suggesting, so you can see money flow index is near 82, so it is 85. So you can see it has approached the overbought region. So generally this particular stock money flow index trades near the overbought region, so nothing much interesting in that. So if you see RSI is also showing strong strength, and it is above the overbought region. So clearly you can see momentum is completely present for the stock. 90.2% momentum is present, and you can see MACD is also in the bullish crossover, and it is continuing that journey. So if we see the returns that it has provided in a very short span of time, so 1 month back we have discussed about this particular stock, 16% returns it has given. 1 week 18.8, and 3 months, you can see almost 4 months back also we have uploaded a video regarding it. So 150% returns. 6 months you can see 306.94% returns, and 1 year you can see 852.61% returns. So we can say very huge returns it has given. We can say in a short span, that is, you can say 1 year also, it is more than enough. 852% returns is not a joke, especially if you're investing any stock for long term, and in this particular COVID time also, cancelling out all the negative returns that it has given. So ultimately positive of 852% returns in 1 year. So not only this particular stock, we have discussed some many quality stocks that have given 100 plus returns, whether it may be Prince Pipes, India Mart. So you can watch all those videos which have given very good returns. Okay, so now we quickly will move on to the technical charts. So we'll see what are the next resistances that we can see in the stock. So when we discussed about Adani Green in previous video, so we discussed one important concept, that whenever it gives any sort of up move, so again it gives a small retracement, again it moves up move, again small retracement, again whenever any stock wants to give major breakout, so you need to understand major breakout, you will see consolidation in that particular stock for certain period of time. So it may take even 6 days, it may take even more than 7 days also, though patience will be required regarding those period of time. If you exit at that point, then definitely you will be losing the entire profit. So if you see, whenever it has given some positive movement, small retracement, again up move, small retracement. So when major breakout is coming, so you can see consolidation will be present. So that is clearly visible and was seen in the past sessions. So after the breakout, you can see continuous 2 days. So we are seeing a upper circuit in the stock, not direct upper circuit. So normally it is hitting the 5% movement. Okay, and money flow index also, earlier it was in the we can say mid range. So again it has started going to the overbought. So you can understand, when since it is showing continuous overbought, and when it is coming down, so again when it is giving, so it implies that again it will start gaining the momentum. So you need to understand this. So it comes by practice and also by observation. So in Vikas Multi-Corp as well, so we have discussed the same concept. So what to do? So since the breakout has occurred, so people have invested in this stock, so definitely you should hold this particular stock. So 900 is a very good, we can say that if it gives breakout from that, definitely we may see its new journey to 950 plus levels. Okay, so this is what, so almost it's all-time high for it. So definitely 900 plus easily, if the market sentiment, since US elections are present, so little negative sentiment if it is present, it's an opportunity for you to buy this particular stock, whether it may be near let's say you need to add at least 2 to 3 stocks on each and every dip. So if you get a chance, 800, 780 maybe the best levels. If you get an opportunity, only invest in small portions, and again we will average whenever we get an opportunity. So that should be your idea as well as strategy. Okay, so in 1 week chart also, we can see a good movement has been given in the stock. So you can see big green candle has been initiated in the 1 week chart. So it is showing strict momentum. So whenever it gives any sort of up move, immediately consecutively we will see little correction. But if correction is seen, so we have discussed the levels, it may be 800 or 780, you can add in small quantities. Okay, I'll update in the Telegram as well. So if you have not joined, definitely you can join the Telegram as well, so not to miss any instant update. So this is all about Adani Green. So watch the previous videos as well if you want the complete fundamentals, and if you're new to this particular video, watch all those videos and also subscribe the channel to not miss any instant updates. So until then, take care, bye bye.